Hey, here's a quick LinkedIn tip for you, all right? So something that I noticed that changed recently, we just found it out this week, and that is that it used to be that in the privacy settings on LinkedIn, you can choose if your contact information is available to be seen by just your network or everyone outside of your network. Unfortunately, it looks like they've taken that away so that only your first level connections, only your immediate network sees your email address and your mobile phone. Now, that makes it harder for people to actually reach out and contact you if you're in an active or even a passive job search. So what they recommend you do is add your email and your mobile phone number to the About section on LinkedIn. So you'd want to add a call to action with that. A call to action is simply telling someone what you want them to do. So connect with me here on LinkedIn. Feel free to text me or call me at, or email me at, okay? That's how you get people to easily pick up the phone and call you, or just send an email to you. Not everyone likes to use LinkedIn to message. Maybe they prefer just a phone call. Make it easy for them to reach out, all right? So be sure and put that information up there. Many people don't have it and don't realize that they don't have it. But in addition, put it on the About section of your LinkedIn profile. All right, that's it for today. Thank you. Tammy Kabell with Career Resume Consulting. Bye now.